Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove credit card from Binance. So guys, the first thing of course to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what we actually have in front of us. So in the bottom of the screen, we have the markets, as you can see. We have the square. We have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit. We also have the discover and the portfolio as the last tab on this application. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove credit card from Binance. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on your profile. Then go to the top right corner and click on settings. And then when you're here, you need to go scroll down and click on payment methods. When you click there, here you will have all your payment methods and your credit cards, where you can just go and remove your credit card that you don't want to use anymore. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Just a few seconds, as I already told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, of course, bye guys.